Let's now discuss the second part of points according to region. Local points on the forehead, we have GB14. For the head, the temporal region, we have GB8. For the head occipital region, we have GB20. For the ears, we have GB2. For the cervical spine, we have GB20. For the neck and shoulder region, we also have GB20 and GB21. For the gallbladder, we have GB24. For the hypochondrium, we have GB25 and GB26, GB27. For the hip, we have GB29, GB30. And for the knee, we have GB34 and GB35. And for the foot, we have GB40. For the adjacent points, for the head and temporal region, we have GB20. For the ears, GB8 and GB20. For the cervical spine and shoulders, we have GB21. For the lumbar region, we have GB25 and GB30. And for the hip, we have GB31. For the knee, GB33. For the foot, GB34. And for the toes, GB38. Next are distal points. Distal points for the head and temporal region is GB43 and GB41. For the eyes, GB37 and GB41. For the liver, GB34. For the gallbladder, GB34, GB40. For the hypochondrium, we have GB38, GB34, GB43. For the cervical spine and hip, we have GB39. For the hip, we have GB41. Specific points according to the channel pathway in numeric order. Let's start with GB1. It is a Jiaowei meeting point with the small intestine and the triple burner channels. GB2 is the local point for the ears. GB3 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the triple burner and the stomach channels. GB4 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the triple burner and stomach channels. GB5 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the triple burner, large intestine, and the stomach channels. GB6 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the triple burner, LI, and stomach channels. GB7 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder channel. GB8 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder channel, the local point for the lateral aspect of the head, and the adjacent point for the ears. GB9 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder channel and the window of heaven point. GB10 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder channel. GB11, the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder and SI and triple burner channels. GB12 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder channel. GB13, the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai. GB14, the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai and triple burner stomach and large intestine channels. It is also the local point for the forehead. GB15 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai and the bladder channel. GB16, the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai. GB17, the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai. GB18, the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai. And GB19, the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai. GB20 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai, the Yang Chao Mai, and the triple burner channel. It is the local point for the occiput, the local point for the neck and shoulders, the local point for all disorders of the head and sensory organs, and for the brain, it is the adjacent point for the lateral aspect of the head and the ears. GB21 is the Jiaowei meeting point of the Yang Wei Mai, the triple Werner and stomach channels, and is also the adjacent point for the neck and the shoulders. GB23 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder channel. GB24 is the associated front knee point, the Jiaowei meeting point with the spleen channel and the Yang Wei Mai, and the local point for the gallbladder. GB25 is the front knee point for the kidneys, the local point for the hypochondrium, and the adjacent point for the lumbar region. GB25 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the Daimai and the local point for the hypochondrium. GB27 is the Jiaowei meeting points with the Daimai, the local point for the hypochondrium. GB28 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the Daimai. GB29 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the Yang Chao Mai and Daimai, the local point for the hip, and GB30 is the Jiaowei meeting point with the bladder channel, the Madanyang Heavenly Star point, the adjacent point for the lumbar region and the hip, and the local point for the hip. GB31 is the adjacent point for the hip, and GB33 is the adjacent point for the knee. GB34 is the Husi point or earth point of the gallbladder channel. It is also the Hui meeting point with the sinews, the lower Husi point of the gallbladder, the Madanyang Heavenly Star point, the distal point for the liver, gallbladder, and hypochondrium, the local point for the knee, and the adjacent point for the foot. GB35 is the Shikleft point of the Yang Wei Mai, the Jiaowei meeting point of the Yang Wei Mai, and the local point for the knee. GB36 is the Shikleft point. GB37 is the Luo connecting point and the distal point for the eyes. GB38 is the Jing River point and the fire point. It is also the sedation point, the distal point for the hypochondrium. GB39 is the Hui meeting point with the marrow, the distal point for the cervical spine and the hip. GB40 is the Yuan source point, the local point for the foot, and the distal point for the gallbladder. GB41 is the shoestring point, the wood point. It is also the pen point of the five faces, the opening point of the daimai, the distal point for the temporal region and the ears, and the distal point for the hip. GB43 is the yin spring point, the water point. It is the tonification point of the gallbladder, the distal point of the lateral aspect of the head and the hypochondrium. And finally, GB44 is the jingle point, the metal point of the gallbladder.